watching Positively Ernie.
I always love hanging out with you because you're a positive guy. Keep it positive, Ernie.
Ernie, thank you very much for brightening up my day. Appreciate it.
Hi, Ernie. You know what makes me happy? Great weather.
Hey, Ernie, we love you. Thanks for making us smile.
Welcome back once again. Are you enjoying the good news? We certainly have a lot more for you. Right now, I want to tell you about an organization whose sole mission is to find a forever family for kids in foster care.
Smile, smile.
They say a picture is often worth 1,000 words. But for kids in the foster system, no words can ever portray what they've been through.
These children have been taken out of situations where perhaps they were abused, they were neglected.
But the Heart Gallery is trying to change all of that, one snapshot at a time. The organization, founded in 2001, focuses on finding families for foster children. Laurie Sherman Graff is their director.
In the past, caseworkers would take these photographs and propose these photographs to the families, and these photos were kind of like a driver's license picture. You know, they were really horrible looking photos, kind of, you know, they just didn't represent the child in the best light.
Then someone came up with a picture-perfect idea.
Nice smile, Ryan. That's great.
Have professional photographers donate their time to try and make a difference.
They took the images, they were beautiful, put them in a gallery setting, and invited a lot of prospective families.
Families that these children long to be part of. The photo exhibits were displayed across the 5 boroughs, and it worked. The photo shoots done throughout the year attracted thousands of prospective families, and there are now close to 100 Heart Galleries all across the nation.
If a family can come on board and say, hey, we can love you, you're a good person, and I'm getting teary about this, but you know, that's what they need to really make a difference in their lives.
Isn't that something? Over 5,000 kids nationwide have now found permanent homes thanks to the Heart Gallery. Love it. Now I want to tell you about another organization that's making miracles happen, making sure that every child gets the medical care they need and deserve. Take a look. These are the faces of innocence.
I did hit my thumb right here.
You hit your thumb right there?
Children who many say are often forgotten by the healthcare system. But now one very special organization is changing all of that one borough at a time.
We go to communities where we're needed, where the kids aren't able to get the health care, and set up systems like this, and they're all tailored for the community that they're in.
The Children's Health Fund was started in 1987 by pediatrician Irwin Redlener and musical great Paul Simon.
Okay, want to check your belly? Okay, lay down.
Their goal was simple, to make sure that kids who need medical care were getting it, even if their families couldn't pay for it.
They deserve a doctor who's available for them long term, not just for one visit, one little problem.
Dr. Delaney Gracie is with the fund, and she says the idea has changed lives.
What they did as a solution was they designed this mobile unit, and that way they brought not just the doctor, but the whole clinic, the whole team, to those kids in the shelters to make sure that they got what they needed.
Mobile units like this one, visiting shelters all over the city and providing parents a much-needed resource. I got to speak to one of those families during my visit to a clinic in Harlem. You've been coming here and really using the services. How has it been?
It's been great.
Yeah.
You know, they do provide good, like I said, my daughter goes to the dentist.
Mm-hmm.
My son receives therapy here, and so do I. So, you know, they help us, and it's good to have people that are, you know, concerned.
And very comforting, isn't it? Because
Yes.
you know they care about you.
Absolutely.
Yeah, this is a good service. I know that, you know, we're talking about this today and letting people know that there are a lot of good things that are going on in our community, a lot of positive things that are happening. I'm sure you can guarantee that from this experience.
Absolutely, and again, it's very comforting to know that you know, when you think your resources are limited, but there are people out there who care and help for whatever it is that you need.
The Children's Health Fund has provided approximately 2 million health care visits since it began, thanks to doctors like Deborah Vasquez.
I think I'm very fortunate to work in this program and to have the opportunity to work with these people. I think that a lot of times I feel humbled
The program is a success thanks to all their supporters and people like our friend and TV personality, Jane Pauley.
We're kind of all in it together.
Yeah.
And this mobile medical unit, the visual sighting of it is a reminder that we're part of a community. It's a big community, but we're part of a community and we're looking after each other. Part of the mission here is education, helping parents understand how they can be the great parents that they also want to be. I find that inspirational.
It's fabulous.
The moms and the dads inside there.
If you're looking down, you know, in the crystal ball and saying, okay, what do I want for the Children's Health Fund? What do I foresee? What do you envision?
Well, you want it not to be necessary. That's a gift that we can give the next generation.
A gift that will surely keep on giving.
Oh, thank you, Ernie. Thanks
Jane
for the
Pauley,
work you
best.
do.
Great work. Congratulations to you and everybody. Really, this is a great story. Love it. Positive.
Still to come on Positively Ernie.
How are you?
Can attitude really be the key to happiness in our lives? Stay tuned as Ernie shares his positivity with others. Next.